Alright, let's see what we got. Minimum changes to make alternating binary string easy. Given a string S consisting only of characters 0 and 1, and okay, so binary. In operation, you can change any 0 to 1 or vice versa. Okay, 0 to 1, not 1 to 0. The string is called alternating if no two adjacent characters are equal. For example, the string 0, 1, 0 is alternating, while string 0, 1, 0, 0 is not. Return the minimum number of operations to need to make S alternating. Okay. So here you need to make this last one 1 to make it 0, 1, 0, 1. 0 because it's already alternating, 2 because you want to make it 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, or 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So what I'm thinking of is a single pass where you keep track of the number of alternations. Trying to think if there's a way to do it without doing a single pass at all. It's a string, so I think maybe you have to do a single pass. I don't think you can convert it to a binary number and then do some sort of binary operation. Yeah, I think it's just, I'll say answer 1 and answer 2. Answer 1 is going to be the number of operations to make it, like starting with a 1, then 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. And then answer 2 will be starting with a 0 and then 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So it's just the number of operations to do either, and then I'll take the minimum to be the overall smallest value in order to make it smallest number of operations to make it alternating. Yeah, maybe. Are they related somehow? Like, can I somehow just compute one answer and then based on that have the other answer? Do they sum up to 1, or they sum up to the n, where n is the length? 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. If I'm going to this thing, it's 1, right? Just changing the last one. And if I go to that, it's 3. Changing the first 3. Yeah, actually, I think maybe the sum of the counts is the same, is equal to n, so it's just the minimum of the count that I'm doing versus n minus the count, where n is the length of the string. Yeah. So I can just go over so what to do here. Okay, so I think it's something like for every index in range n, so let's say bit is it. No, is that? Sure. So if s at this index is equal to bit at index mod 2, answer plus equals 1. And then return the minimum of answer and n minus answer. Or yeah. This should be an array. So I'm using index, whether or not it's odd or even, to switch between 0 and 1 as I compare those in the string. Okay. Cool. Nice, and I didn't get the 2 milliseconds, but whatever. Okay, so summary here. This is going to be the number of operations to get it to 1010 ... versus 0101 ... is complementary. They sum to n, where n is the length. For example, let's say 0100, it takes one operation to get to 0101 versus 3 operations to get to 1010. The first 3 needs to change, the last one stays. And 1 plus 3 equals 4, which is n. Thus can calculate how much or how many operations is needed to get to kind of arbitrarily 0101 and return the min of that count versus n minus that count. And then just use a for loop. Use for loop to iterate over the characters in the string and toggle between checking versus 0 or 1. Time complexity, this can be O of n, since one iteration of all values in the string is necessary. Base complexity, this can be O of 1 as well, since no extra space is needed. Alright, cool beans.